You might think drinking water is simple, but if you're over 60, the way you drink water could be quietly working against your health. It might be contributing to fatigue, brain fog, dizziness, and even falls. And today, we're revealing the hydration habits that can either heal or harm you after 60 and how to fix them fast. Let's dive in. The mistake that 99% of seniors make: most seniors wait until they feel thirsty to drink. That's mistake number one. As we age, our sense of thirst dulls. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already mildly dehydrated. This can affect everything from blood pressure to brain function. Think of your body like a plant. You don't wait until the leaves are drooping to water it. You hydrate consistently to keep it strong. Your body is no different. And here's something you may not know: dehydration doesn't always feel like thirst. Sometimes it shows up as fatigue, dry skin, headaches, or confusion. So if you're experiencing any of these, water might be your first line of defense. Why timing matters more than you think. Many people drink most of their water late in the day. But here's the problem. Drinking large amounts of water at night can raise your risk of nighttime bathroom trips, broken sleep, and even dangerous falls. Nocturia, the need to get up at night to urinate, affects over 50% of people over 60. But it's not just annoying, it breaks your deep sleep cycles and increases your risk of stumbling in the dark. One study found that nighttime trips to the bathroom are a top cause of falls in older adults. These falls can lead to serious injuries, hospital stays, and long recovery times. So what's the fix? Front load your hydration. Drink more water earlier in the day. Aim for a big glass first thing in the morning. Then spread out the rest before dinner. That way, you're hydrated without triggering those dangerous nighttime wake-ups. The silent brain fog trigger. Ever felt mentally foggy, like you can't focus or remember things clearly? It might be hydration. Your brain is nearly 75% water. Even slight dehydration can shrink brain tissue and affect memory, mood, and clarity. One Harvard study found that just a 1.5% drop in hydration levels can lead to noticeable cognitive impairment. That's less than one missed glass of water. That afternoon slump? It might not be age, it might be dehydration. Fix it by sipping water consistently throughout the day. Keep a bottle nearby and take small sips every 30 to 60 minutes. You don't have to drown yourself. You just have to be steady. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're all about finding creative ways to boost your health and well-being as you age, and you don't want to miss what's coming up. The hidden risk of chugging. Some people wait all day, then drink 3 cups of water at once. Bad idea. Chugging large amounts of water can actually overwhelm your kidneys. Instead of being absorbed and used by your body, a lot of it gets flushed out, along with valuable electrolytes. It can even lead to something called hyponatremia, where your sodium levels drop too low. That can cause nausea, headaches, confusion, and in rare cases worse. Instead, sip slowly. Think of it like feeding your body, not flooding it. Small, steady sips allow better absorption and steady hydration for your brain, muscles, and circulation. Cold water or warm? The surprising truth. Should seniors drink cold water or warm? Cold water can be refreshing, but it may slow digestion, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. Warm or room temperature water helps digestion, relaxes muscles, and is easier on the system. Many cultures, especially in Asia, encourage warm water for morning routines. It helps wake up your digestive system gently. You don't have to give up cold water, but if you deal with digestive issues, bloating, or gas, try switching to lukewarm water, especially in the morning and with meals. The salt trap. Many seniors unintentionally drink less because they fear water retention. But often it's not the water, it's the salt. High salt intake causes your body to hold on to water, raise blood pressure, and stress your kidneys. Hydration only works when your salt levels are under control. Fix this by reducing salty snacks and processed foods. Choose whole foods with natural sodium instead. And yes, keep drinking water. It helps flush excess salt out of your system. Bonus tip: check labels. Even foods like soups, canned vegetables, and breads can be loaded with hidden sodium. The best time to drink water. Here's a simple, powerful routine to follow. 1 glass when you wake up. Kickstarts metabolism and clears overnight toxins. 1 glass 30 minutes before meals. Aids digestion and reduces appetite. Sip during the day, every 30 to 60 minutes. Stop heavy drinking 2 hours before bed. Protects sleep and prevents falls. If you're active or taking medications that dehydrate you, like diuretics, increase your intake slightly. Just be gentle and gradual. The color check. Want to know if you're drinking enough? Check your urine. It should be pale yellow. Dark means dehydration. Clear all the time? You may be overdoing it. It's the easiest hydration test you can do, and it's totally free. What about coffee or tea? Yes, you can count them toward hydration in moderation, but they can also be diuretics, which means they may cause you to lose fluids. So if you're having coffee, great. Just follow it with a glass of water. The same goes for green or black tea. Herbal teas are often gentler and hydrating. Chamomile or ginger are great choices. Avoid sugary drinks, sodas, and even some fruit juices. They can cause blood sugar spikes and actually increase dehydration. Medications that may dehydrate you. Certain medications increase the risk of dehydration. These include diuretics, water pills, laxatives, antihistamines, blood pressure meds. If you're on these, your hydration needs may be higher. Speak with your doctor, but also listen to your body. Hydration and joint pain. Did you know your joints are surrounded by fluid that cushions them? When you're dehydrated, that fluid can become thinner, leading to more friction and more discomfort. So if you deal with stiffness or creaky knees, a hydration habit could help more than you think. Which hydration habit surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. And if you know someone over 60 who could benefit from this, share this video with them. One small habit change can mean years of better living. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and stay hydrated.